party on Pinterest and you won't believe what I found. When I scrolled down, I found this and oh god, how beautiful it is. Then I scrolled again and found a lot of pictures of Rekha ma'am and I loved all of them so much. What an iconic beauty she is. I decided that I would recreate this makeup, but then I couldn't decide which makeup should I recreate. Then I decided that I would take inspiration from these many pictures. Hello my precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Vin and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Guys, today's video is all about recreating a makeup look and that is Rekha ma'am's makeup look. All of the pictures I found are so beautiful that I just couldn't decide which exact picture should I recreate. So I took inspiration from a lot of pictures and here I am. So if you want to know how I bring together today's look, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am the Sassy Leo and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into gray and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just get up and get Let me just quickly tie my hair into a bun because it is too hot in here, I tell you. And अभी 2:14 PM time हो रहा है, so it is peak afternoon time in this peak summer season. So yeah, it's too hot and I am just surviving with one fan right here. So skin is perfectly prepped. Now it's time for primer. Today I am using a primer which is from Mars Cosmetics and this you guys is a gripping primer. It's time for foundation and I dotted it on my face. Now I am blending it using my brush. After ages I am using foundation. Otherwise मैंने foundation और concealer use करना literally छोड़ ही दिया था. Going ahead with my concealer. Yes, you got me right. This is not at all of my shade. But take note that this is the darkest shade available in India. This is pretty light for me. So I am color correcting it. This is pretty expensive. This concealer has got amazing coverage, but the shade range. Time for eyebrows. Eyebrows make a lot of difference. Now we will set our face. Can you tell me why did I do this step after my eyebrows? First, let's blend the product that has been accumulated in the fine lines. Yeah. Now that we are all ready, can you tell मैंने powder से set पहले क्यों नहीं किया? Yes, the reason is हम eyebrows के लिए थोड़ा बड़ा brush use किए हैं. So there are chances that eyebrow powder slipped off. So उसे clean करने के लिए we did that. And never forget the neck. Now it's time for the blush and blush हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ high points में ही लगाएंगे क्योंकि हमारे inspiration photos में बहुत ज़्यादा blush blindness नहीं है. So yeah, मैंने एक dewy coral blush use किया है. Now for the contour, look at this picture. Contour काफ़ी ज़्यादा chiseled है, so we are going to do the same. I'm using this Color Essence palette and this dark brown shade. Contouring my nose. I am the kind of person जो बहुत कम contour करती है. In fact, whenever it is possible, I skip contours. So yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Now taking another brush, I am doing cheeks contouring and also my jawline. Can you see the difference? It actually makes a difference, है ना? Next for the lips, I took inspiration from this photo. I am first lining my lips using this dark brown pencil. Now I am filling my lips using this nude shade. Now I am finally topping it off using Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter. This is how the lip combo is looking. Now for the eye makeup, look at this picture. This is gonna be our eye makeup for the day. I am stamping dark brown eyeshadow on the outer and inner corner of my eye. Then using a blending brush and nude shade, I am just softening the edges. This gave us that soft smoky look. Now mixing two shimmers and stamping them in the center of my eyelid. For the eyeliner, this is our inspiration and I am drawing a nice winged eyeliner. Okay, eyeliner is done and after such a long time, I drew this kind of a thick winged eyeliner and I am feeling so good. I am applying mascara first on my upper and lower lash lines. For the lower lash line, this is our inspiration, but we are doing one little change. Instead of using red on the lower lashes, I am using green because our outfit is bottle green in color. So yeah, just stamping this green on the fourth of my lower lash line. Now using the same dark brown shade, I am blending this green Now white kajal on my lower waterline, highlighting the inner corner of my eye. Lastly, setting mist. Accessorize this look, and this is how it is looking in natural light. I know while doing makeup it was quite dark, but it was 45 degrees outside. That's why I just couldn't keep the room door open to let the natural light come in. So yeah, please do tell me in the comments if you like how I pulled this look off. I am so much obsessed with this look. I mean, just look at the detailing. Yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like such kind of videos, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials. Link in the description bar below also. And write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Until then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.